अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत आफियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाला हूँ गूगल इज़ शटिंग डाउन स्टैडिया इट्स क्लाउड गेमिंग सर्विस। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश है कि आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और साथ में लगे घंटी के आइकॉन को भी दबा दीजिए। इससे फ़ायदा ये होगा कि जो भी हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो आएगी आप तक आसानी से पहुंच जाएगी और आप भी इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, अपनी वीडियो का आगाज़ करता हूँ। Google has announced it is winding down its Stadia video game streaming service and will shut it down on January 18, 2023. In a new blog, the search engine company revealed that Stadia has not gained the traction with users that we expected, and as a result, the company has made the difficult decision to begin winding down the service. Google will refunding users who purchase either hardware or games from Google and Stadia. We are grateful to the dedicated Stadia players that have been with us from the start. We will refunding all Stadia hardware purchases made through the Google Store and all game and add-on content purchases made through the Stadia stores. Players will still be able to access their game library and play until January 18. Stadia in Google Cloud gaming service where users are able to stream video games including AAA titles like Asian, Creed, Odyssey, and Cyberpunk 2077 directly through Google Cloud service, meaning there was no need to purchase physical hardware so long as someone had access to Google Chrome. There was a dedicated controllers players could purchase. However, Google says that the underlying technology that powers Stadia has proven to be powerful, and Google has already started offering Stadia as a white label product, meaning other companies can use the technology without becoming a part of Stadia ecosystem. AT&T, for example, use Stadia technology to offer Batman Arkham Knight to users for free, and Google says the tech will be used to power other parts of Google, including YouTube, Google Pay, and augment reliability. Stadia Cloud is not a death knell for video game streaming. Xbox and Nvidia offer cloud gaming as a part of Xbox Game Pass ultimately and GeForce Now respectively. फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।